Name Quintellis Darden. Quintellis is Quintellis. Darden is Darden.
All right. What's the name of your business?
Name of the business is Hustle in Pop. This is the meat and potato of the operation. This is the actual kettle. Um, it's basically a big pot sitting on top of a burner. If you look under this pot, it's a burner there. And once you pop the corn, the kettle can tilt. You dump it into this little catch bucket. Take your catch bucket, dump it into the silting table. So the silting table, basically a box with a bunch of grates with holes in it at the bottom. You shake the popcorn around, all the kernels fall down, get caught in these plastic bins, and that's it. Let's lighten the burner. Add our oil. Starting to get some pops. We'll give it a few more pops and we'll add our sugar. Add our 2.5 cups of sugar. Mix it in. What's going on? Yeah, it's about to get real violent here.
Alright. Alright guys, keep your eyes on everything. Hear the kernels black hole, start to get quiet. Boom, there you go.
Start to salt it. And like I said, I really don't use a specific amount of salt. I just kind of go to taste for myself. And as you start to sip shift it around and get those kernels falling. And while it's still hot like this, it's real sticky. So what I tend to do is I'll let it cool a little bit. After sifting it around some, I'll add a little bit more salt as it's cooling. And as it cools, it becomes less sticky. As that sugar starting to harden, you know, it becomes less sticky, and then you can start grabbing like individual pieces.